My name is Gerald Norden. I am a former NASA robotics scientist. I'm a wholesaler. I'm a flipper. I do long-term and short-term rentals. I also am a Bigger Pockets conference speaker, asking the entire audience, what do you think a motivated seller would type into Google to sell their house fast?
How to sell my house fast.
Fast cash offer.
As in it. How do I sell my house without an agent? Legitimate house buyers in Connecticut. We buy houses in Connecticut. Who buys houses in Connecticut? I need to sell my house fast in Connecticut. Every keyword thrown at me live on stage, I typed into Google where I showed the audience that I not only rank number one, but I also rank number two across the board for every keyword thrown at me.
When I started with Gerald, I didn't have a company, never done an off-market deal. I had no experience in web design or search engine optimization. I was literally starting from scratch. And now I'm the #1 ranked cash home buyer for my market in Chattanooga and for almost every city within 50 miles of me.
Are now successful real estate investing rock stars.
If there's somebody out there that's no idea where to even start, do you have any advice to start learning about this?
Gerald Norden, the Mighty Investor, he's the guy who really taught me everything that I know. I'd never built a website before. I'd never done any SEO before. I'd never done anything. Now I'm the top ranked cash home buyer on Google for my area, which just blows my mind that that's even possible.
How much luck have you had getting reliable deals, doing driving for dollars, door knocking, bending signs, directly marketing, cold calling, and texting to the foreclosure list, the absentee owner list, the probate list, the texting list, the foreclosure list, any list you can think of where people more than likely will yell at you instead of making a deal with you? I've shown you my students that were complete rookies before they joined the system are now
Absolutely become a millionaire in the next couple years because of this program.
Simply wanting to become successful is not going to get you anywhere. Scheduling a call with me will.